So let's do a quick review of my msr-pocket-rocket deluxe camping stove. So it comes a little drawstring bag like so, and I've had this one actually probably a couple of years now, and it's been my favourite system to use because it's so compact and simple and just works really well. So you have your fold out support arms there, supports your pot or your pan, whichever you're going to use. And with the MSR here as well, we also have the onboard igniter. So if you ever forget your matches or your lighter, you've always got a sort of an onboard lighting system, which is really useful. Again, the valve system on the MSR as well is really nice and just works really well. So let's give this one a test. Just get connected to my gas canister. Sometimes tricky to get the thread started. There we are. It's all secure there, gas off. Okay, so just using a Primus pot to boil some water in today, and we're going to go for again about 440 millilitres. This is your average cup, I'd say around there. Gas on, make sure that's okay. Gas on and ignite. Gas is full up. So as I say, I've had this for about 2 years, just works really well. Also have the jet boil as well. I think the jet boil zip. Use both systems. I tend to prefer this one just being a bit more compact and a little bit more versatile as well. You're not tied to one particular pot, pan or system. It's really universal. So I have recently also purchased a MSR skillet to try with this, and also a jet boil skillet as well, so I'm going to compare the two in later videos and see how well they work. Generally, I guess for like a cup of water, 440 millilitres, I'd say about 2 to 3 minutes to boil up, again depending on the conditions. Starting to get a little bit of a boil coming. And these are ones really nice to use. They just lightweight, work really well. It's only a small cup, so that's actually boiling very quickly. Gas off. There we are. So actually these Primus cups work nice as well. These folded handles work really well. Also with the Primus as well, with the lid system here, this actually folds out as well. So also being a lid for this, can also be a small pan here as well if you wanted to cook something very small, like a fried egg or just a very small dish on there. But again, quite a useful thing to have and just works well. So again, the MSR does have the igniter on board, makes it very quick, easy to light, simple as that. Really quite a powerful flame. Okay, well, there we go. I hope you found that review useful. Price on these are about £60 online. I've had mine a couple of years. I've been very happy with it, and really good purchase, and I highly recommend to get one of these. Okay, thanks very much.